Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make the most requested recipe, which is dal puri. It is a typical street food in Mauritius. Dal puri is basically a type of Indian inspired flatbread which is stuffed with ground split peas. And now I'm gonna show you how to make my version of dal puri, so let's get started. The ingredients for dal puri filling: you will need to soak the dal for at least 1 hour, then salt, turmeric powder and water. In a pot, add water, dal gram, salt and turmeric powder. On a medium heat, bring to boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. Skim off the frothy layer from the surface. To verify if the dal is cooked, press it and it should be firm, at the same time effortlessly crushed. Drain the cooked dal and allow it to cool and dry. Save some of the dal water for the dough. Now ground the dal until you get a loose powder consistency. Let's make the dal balls. Add cumin powder to the ground dal and mix. And make small balls with the dal. For the dough, you will need flour, dal water, oil and salt. In a bowl, add stiff flour, oil and salt, mix well. Then gradually add lukewarm dal water to the flour until you get a sticky dough. Apply some oil on the dough. Cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. Add oil and knead until dough absorbs all the oil. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. Now do balls around the same side of the dal. Stretch the dough. And add the dal in the center and seal the dough. Dip in flour, press all the way around and roll out the dal puri. Place the dal puri on the pan. Brush with oil and turn. And here we go, dal puri is ready. Hope you did enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share.